guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If you are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel, okay? And thank you so much to all my old returning subscribers. I really appreciate all the love and support. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys, or I'll be showing you guys around my new kitchen. As most of you know, we are new to this house. We just moved in a few days ago, and I just want to quickly give you a full look of what my kitchen looks like at the moment. And this kitchen is the only part of the house that is well and fully equipped and organized, if I should say. Other parts of the house is still a bit messy because we are still arranging stuffs. So my kitchen, as some of you know, or as all of you know, that my kitchen is my office. So I took time to put everything in order to organize it, to make it more like a home, if you know what I mean. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you around so you guys can see what my kitchen looks like, because this is where all our cooking delicacies, all our cooking videos is going to be coming out from. So I think it's a good idea to show you guys around my kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and stay tuned and stick around to see what my kitchen looks like. Nothing too fancy here, it's just simple and basic. Like, it's just basic, but I love how it turned out and how I put everything together to make it the way I just want it to be. Maybe in the future I might still put things in order, but for now this is how it is, and this is how I'm loving it. So let's get into the kitchen tour. So once you open my kitchen, this is what you see. So I want to show you an overview of what my kitchen looks like. Then I will go to explain things one after the other. So this is what my kitchen looks like. And this is the back of the door. Okay, we are going to start from here. So I have this calendar here. It's not a calendar though. We are supposed to put our calendar here like days when we need to throw away trash and all of that. So it's going to be here, but for now this is what we have here, and I met this in this house. Down here we have our water, our drinking water, and at the back of the door, down at the bottom, we have our milk. We have some at the garage. So what we do is, once this one finishes, we go down and bring another one. And that's my Indomie. Now at the top here, I have my kettle. I have my tissue paper we use to wipe our mouth, obviously. All right, so coming down here is my dining table set. I absolutely love this dining table. So we have 6 sets of chairs here, and this is what they look like. I have my flour, as you can see, and here we have our toothpick. Now down here is our fruit basket, and we have only orange there. We are yet to fill it up with fruits. That's my window, and that's the balcony. I'm sorry, this is too bright. Let me see if I can adjust it. Okay, that's the balcony. And up there is my wall frame, as you can see there. And here is another wall frame. Up here is my light. Now from this side you have my trash bin. That's our trash bin where we keep only food items, like just anything that comes from the kitchen, like foodstuffs and all of that. So this is the trash for it, because here in Italy they don't put, like where we live, I don't know for other areas, where we live they don't put everything in one trash, so everything has their separate trash bin. So this one is for food. And up here is my nylon storage. Yeah, you can see. And here is my set of spoon, my cooking spoon. And this is my kitchen towel. I use it to wipe surfaces, basically. It's just for surfaces. Here is my sink, and here is my gas cooker, which has 5 burners. And here is my oven. That's my microwave, as you can see, my salt and my sugar. Alright, that's it for the floor and surfaces. Let's go to the cupboards one after the other. So I'm going to start from here. Hi! This thing looks like mirror. So here I have, in this container, I have some of my Nigerian food spices. This container is empty, and here I'm going to be keeping all my food containers. They are still in the old house. And here I have my crayfish. These 2 containers are still empty. I don't know what to put there yet. Here is our plate rack. It's still empty because some of our plates are still there. So I'm going to bring them and fill this place up. I'm moving over to this side. We have our beverages, Quaker oats, biscuits, bread, and yeah, all of that good stuff for morning breakfast. And also here we have our breads. Down here, bread and biscuits, peanuts, cinnamon. My gari is at the back there. Yeah, this is my gari. Okay, moving over to the next cupboard. I have all my cooking condiments here. All my spices, or some of them, not all. Have some of them here, as you can see. Now, coming over here is the top of the freezer. I have all my cake stuff there, like everything I use for baking. You know, that's where I kept them all. Can you see them there? And this bag is just for my kids. This is their feeding bottle bag. Like if we want to go out, I just make their hot chocolate, put it in this bag, and it will keep it warm. Okay, yeah, so here is my freezer. This is what I have here. Spinach is at the back, shrimp, and the gizzard. I still have to put some things here. Our deep freezer is still at the old house. We are yet to bring it here. So this is the main fridge itself. This is what I have here. My kids' yogurt. This is for bread. I have chicken here. I'm about to cook. After this video, I'll cook. So that's why I have this meat here. This meat and this one is meat as well. So if not, I would have put it in the freezer, but I'm going to be using it, so that's why it's here. My carrot, my egg container, this is ginger and this pot, my food container is not here yet, so that's why I put it here. I have a leftover soup here, and down here is where I have all my veggies. As you can see, I'm about to use these vegetables now, so yeah. And here is my kids feeding bottles and my minced ginger and garlic paste. That's it for the top cupboards. Let's go down to the down ones. All right, moving over here, I have my first drawer here, which is where I keep all my cutleries. Yes, as you can see. And yeah, my knife is yet to come. They are still at the old house, so this is what I'm using for now. And here are all my measuring cups and spoons and funnel. Coming to the second drawer, I have all my, washing sponges, like cleaning clothes and sponges. I have my, oven glove, I think that's what it's called. I have my towel for drying dishes, pots, and all of that stuff. I have my foil paper, my plastic film, basically these are trash nylons. We use it to put trash. And here are some of our new knives we've not opened yet. This is my rolling pin, and this is our cup. This is a use and throw away cup. Coming to the second drawer, the third one, this is what you see here. The kids' bibs, my trays, my cutting board, this and here is where we keep all our grocery bags, as you can see. So these are what we have here. And in here I have my hand mixer, my food processor, the small one, hand blender. Yeah, so that's it for these drawers. And this is my oven. There's nothing much there, just baking stuffs. My oven tray, you see, my parchment paper. So that's what I have there. Nothing much. And this is the towel we use to clean our hands after washing dishes. This oven is still very new. Very, very new. I don't think they've used it. So here, this is my favorite part of this cabinet. Here I have my oils, soy sauce, oyster sauce. I have some of my spices, paprika, curry, nutmeg, ehuru. This is Nigerian spice. My oregano, some salt. Yeah, that's it for this place. Okay, now coming to this side, I have my pots. And that's the rice there. You see, that's my blender. The head or the machine of the blender is somewhere else, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So that's it for there. And coming over to this last part, I have my frying pans, my semo pot, this one, my dish soap, and this is semo. Yeah, our semo container. Now let me show you the body of the blender. It's just here under the fridge. So this is the fridge, and down here I have my dry meal blender, my pot. I have my bread toaster in there. I have my banga here, my bottle, tomatoes. Aha, this is the head of the blender I was talking about. Can you see? That's where I kept it, and it fits perfectly there. So that's it for down here. And this is my kitchen mat. This mat here, I got it from AliExpress. Yeah, I love it so much. You guys used to see this mat in my previous kitchen, so it fits perfectly in this kitchen. As you can see, I just love this mat. It's so beautiful. I love it. You can check it out on AliExpress. If you shop on Ali, you can find it there. Just type kitchen mats and you will see tons of them. You will see the one that will match your kitchen. This is the one I chose because it's so beautiful. It has spoons, knife, fork, plate, glass cup, and it's just beautiful and perfect for this particular kitchen. And this dining set, we got it from Casa Tua. If you are in Italy, you will know where I'm talking about. And you guys used to see this flower in my previous house. It used to be on top of this thing in my previous house. So this is where I placed this. The flower used to be on top of it there, but now I just think it fits perfectly on this dining table, so that's why I brought it over here. So guys, I think that's it for this kitchen tour. Once again, this is the overview of my kitchen. You can see how I set everything. I don't really like a cluttered house. Like, if you can tell clearly from this video, you will see that I don't have much thing going on here. All my properties, like all my kitchen items, they fit so well in this kitchen. Even though the kitchen is not too big, it's a very small kitchen, but I'm making use of the cabinets. Like, I'm setting things the way they should be. Leaving the floors empty like this is just going to help a lot when I want to clean the kitchen. I don't have to be carrying stuffs up and down. So I just love how simple and how beautiful this kitchen looks. And by the way, that's my flower there. I forgot to show you. That's it. It has clock there, as you can see.